Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed my previous video. If you haven't watched that one, link is in the description. In that video we're discovering the anatomy of the bass, so all the bass features. And in this video we're going to step away from this because now we know all this, and we're going to look at how to use proper right hand and left hand finger position. Without further ado, we're going to go through some drills to show you guys how to properly position your hands on the bass. So we're going to start with our right hand. So rule of thumb is to have your fingers perpendicular to the strings. What does perpendicular mean? If parallel is having your fingers like this, parallel with the strings, perpendicular means to have them across. So if this is the string, your fingers have to be directly across it, 90 degrees, okay? Like this. Two things about this: we need to keep our fingers like this, and we should keep our thumb, for the beginners, this is only a guide by the way in terms of where we keep the thumb, but for beginners, what I found easy when I was learning myself is to keep the thumb on the pickup so that we have a good anchor point to have our hand on, and then we can easily navigate all the strings from this position. You could also keep it on the wood and do the same, or on the string once you get more advanced, but for now we'll just start with keeping our thumb on the pickup, okay? So this is our right hand technique. So thumb is on the pickup and fingers are perpendicular to the strings. Just these two things, remember that. So left hand. With the left hand, the most important thing is that we need to keep our left hand relaxed, because what people often do is they wrap their thumb around the neck and they try and just do something which is totally wrong. Most important thing about playing with the left hand is keeping it relaxed, okay? Therefore, right left hand technique is very important. The easy way to remember what the technique is: a crab, okay? So all we're gonna do is do this shape, yeah? And we're just gonna do it, keep it, and apply it, okay? So we're gonna grab the middle of the neck and just place our thumb there, okay? We might be adjusting it slightly this way or this way, but that's okay, as long as we're not wrapping it around or doing that type of stuff, okay? So we're just gonna rest our thumb in the middle of the fretboard, okay? So doing this shape, we're gonna rest it just like I showed you guys, and then we're just gonna rest our fingers on the strings like this. Easy enough so far, right? So we're gonna go back to our right hand now. I'm gonna unmute my bass, and we're gonna start playing some finger style. So we're gonna start with one finger, our index finger, and all we're gonna do is play the E string. So okay, easy enough, just plucking against the string. We're gonna try that now with the middle finger. If this is too fast or too difficult for you, slow down the video, reverse back to where I'm explaining this, and you should understand it. And if you need any more clarification, let me know in the comments below. We're gonna play again, so one finger and the middle finger. Okay, now we're gonna try playing with the two fingers, so alternating. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Once we're playing with the index, then we're playing with the middle, back to the next middle, and so on, okay? So maintaining our thumb over here and perpendicular, we're gonna start playing alternating. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's almost like we're doing, you know, the walk on the table with the fingers, trying to pretend that, but just on the string. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Cool. Okay. Now left hand. So we remember our crab. So we put our thumb in the middle, we rest our fingers, and we're going to do it on the 3rd fret just to make it easier, because it's easier to catch it here than over here. There's also bigger space between frets over here, so we're just going to stick to the 3rd fret on the E string, so the thickest string. We're going to get our thumb, a lovely thumbs up, put on the back, and rest our fingers. Do the crab thing we talked about. So we're going to take our index finger, this finger, and we're going to press it on the 3rd fret. So 1, 2, 3, okay, 3rd fret. Gonna press it on the 3rd fret on the E string, so the thickest string, the first one from the top, okay? And we're gonna press it down lightly, just until it touches the fret, because that's all we need. We don't need to be pressing it really hard, just lightly, okay? And we're gonna try with one finger, just fretting this note and playing it. Okay, congratulations, you just played your first note, which is a G. Well done to you. Give yourself a round of applause, maybe a little pat on the back, you know yourself. So now we're gonna try the same thing, but we're gonna try with the middle finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy enough, right? Now we're gonna try alternating fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy enough, right? If you found this difficult, don't worry, it's fine. You can reverse back the video, you can slow it down in the options as well, and you can play as fast or as slow as you feel comfortable. So the next thing we're going to move on to is playing an open string and a fretted string. So all we're going to do is, again, rest our tongue back, do the crab onto the neck, and we're going to play the third fret just like we have, but we're just going to let go. So we're going to play 2 notes while holding it and 2 notes while letting go. So we're going to start with open, so we're going to play 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to fret it. 1, 2, going to try it again. 1, 2, and we're going to fret again. Okay, now we're going to try with 2 fingers on this side. So 1, 2, and then fret it. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then fret it. 1, 2. Okay, so now we're going to play that, just to loop it a few times. So 1, 2, fret it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, congratulations, you just played your first open string and your first fretted note on the bass using correct left and right hand technique. Okay, so to recap this lesson, right hand, 2 things: perpendicular to the strings and rest your thumb on the pickup just as an anchor point. Left hand, 2 things: we're going to do our little crab, put it over here, and we're also going to maintain perpendicular line with the strings as much as possible. Okay, thank you for watching this lesson tutorial. In the next one, we're going to further explore this idea, start fretting more notes. If you like this video, give it a like, give it a comment. If you want, you can subscribe. If you don't. All up to you. I'll leave it up to you. And yeah, let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd want me explore about this topic, or anything that you found difficult. I will be in the comments section once this video goes live, and I'll be replying to all you guys' comments. So if there's anything you're unsure about or you want me to clarify in a future video, please feel free to reach out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.